Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to reduce or remove revisions in Elementor safe mode. This is particularly useful when your site is running slow or you want to clean up your editing history to improve performance and keep things organized. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, you'll need to log in to your WordPress admin dashboard. Once you're in, look at the submenu on the left side of your screen, navigate to Elementor, and from the options that appear, select Tools. This is where you'll find various Elementor settings that control how the plugin behaves on your site. Now, once you're in the Tools section, scroll down until you find the Safe Mode area. Safe Mode is designed to help troubleshoot issues by temporarily disabling certain features or conflicts. Here, you'll see a toggle switch. Click on it to enable Safe Mode. This step helps ensure that any changes you make won't interfere with your site's functionality while you're working on revisions. After enabling Safe Mode, don't forget to scroll down and click Save Changes at the bottom of the page. This confirms your settings and applies them across your site. Give it a moment to process and save everything properly. Now, if you want to go deeper and actually reduce revisions during editing, head back to your dashboard. From there, select Pages, then click on All Pages. This will show you a list of all the pages on your site. Find the specific page you want to edit and click on Edit with Elementor. This opens the Elementor Editor interface where you can make changes to your page design. In the Elementor Editor, look at the upper left corner of the page. You'll see a history icon that looks like a clock. Click on it to open the history panel. Once that's open, switch to the Revisions tab. This tab displays all the saved versions of your page, allowing you to see what changes were made and when. Here, you can select an older revision to preview it. Although I don't have any revisions saved yet in this example, if you do have revisions, you'll be able to click through them and see exactly what each version looked like. Once you've found the revision you want to keep, click Apply. This will revert your page to that older version and indirectly reduce the newer revisions that you no longer need. And that's it. You've successfully managed and reduced revisions in Elementor using Safe Mode, helping keep your site clean and running smoothly. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.